welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a video. I collab with Tivisiy, I think that's how you pronounce her name. Now some intro about Tivisiy. Pretty much they make decor things that you can put around your house. So it's pretty much you can do like a unique gift idea or from friends and family, or something that you can even put as decor for your house. Now they do have different versions, different designs that you can get them in. A lot of the things I feel like what I've noticed from the site is animal based. So there's butterflies, you can get rings in the shape of different animals and just different things of that nature. Now they also have different types of versions of the designs that you can get. You can get decor, or they call them specifically wooden crafts. Sorry, so that's what I forgot to mention to you guys. So they have what's called the wooden crafts. They have a section of that. That's one of their popular things that they're promoting right now, but they also have other things. Now the wooden crafts, you can get them in without light. You can get them with light, LED light, or you can get them with sound, LED activation, or you can get, like, some of them come in like a mega size or like plus size version. So you can get them in different sizes as well. It doesn't come like a one size fits all kind of thing. Some of them you can get them bigger sizes. So I think that's all that I have to tell you guys about Tivisiy. Like I said, they make different designs. You can get different things to decorate your home with. So yeah, I think that's my spiel. So I did take it out of the regular packaging. It was wrapped in like the regular, packaging. Now this was the box. I opened it just to make this unboxing easier so we can get through it. But it comes in this box for packaging purposes, a brown box, and I'm gonna pull it out. Now I'm trying to be careful with this because I don't want to break it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So upon looking at it, I do have to get my scissors so I can get these stuff out of there. So off the bat, you guys know I'm very detailed when I come with the packaging. Everything is secure. They taped it on all four sides. They actually put this, like, the foam to keep it secure, so that's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the tape off so we can, like, get it out. Oh, I forgot. I got something else. I totally forgot about this. So they did add that as well, just so you guys can see, like, the different things that you can get from them. So I think this is good enough. So I'm gonna open it like that. So first things first. So I guess I'll start with the rings since they're like in here. So these are the rings. Let me just set this down. So these are the rings that you can get as a gift for somebody. So it comes in like this black casing. And then I'm going to try to open it for you guys so you guys can actually see it. Oh, so it says push. I'm pushing. Okay, so I do like the secure packaging. I didn't notice this until I opened it, but inside it kind of has like almost like a, I don't know like how to explain it, but like a plasticky feel. But this is a nice, cute thing to hold, like if you want to give somebody a gift. So just to show you guys exactly what the shape of the ring looks like. Alright, so here's how the shaping of the ring looks like. So these are in the shape of a dinosaur, I believe, or alligator. I'll leave you guys the actual link because I can't remember. But this kind of looks like it could be like a his or hers thing. I don't know. But this is actually a nice, cute gift if you want to give somebody if they want to, if they like animals. So this is a dinosaur right here. And then this is the other one. So this is like a cute little set. Like, I don't remember if this was like a his or hers thing, but this could definitely, like, this just barely fits my hand, I think. Oh, well, if if I do this hand, I don't know. Honestly, I might gift this to, I don't know, somebody who likes dinosaurs. That's who I would give it to, honestly. But yeah, so these are the detailing. It's a nice, cute set, though. This definitely, I would say, like, if you want to give a gift to somebody, this would be a good gift. Like, if you know that they're into animals, you can get these two. I'll put them back in the casing. Okay, and then I do like the casing because you see it keeps it nice and neat. And then every time you want to get it out, you just take it out the case. So that's nice. Now let's get into the wooden crafts because that's what I'm very excited about. This is the the wooden craft. As you guys can see, it is one of those USB things. So you obviously have to, when you use it, you have to plug it. Now, I wasn't sure of where I was going to put it, but I think I have an idea now. I think when I first saw it, like on picture, it looked bigger than it was. But this is what it looks like. I thought the butterfly would be a nice touch. Again, you need to put it next to somewhere where you can plug it towards LED. So just to show you guys a close up, it's like a brown, orange, and white and black butterfly, the color detailing. And then, as I mentioned, so it comes with the USB. So the USB, as you guys can see here, it has like the buttons. I guess this is the button to turn on and turn off. And then it also has the USB plug. So so this is really cute. I really like this. This is a nice decor piece. Like I said, they don't have butterflies. They have other ones, so you could definitely check out their website. I do want to test it out for you guys, so I will be inserting another clip of me actually installing it in the space that I want to put it in so that you guys can see it. I believe I have a coupon code. I think it is